Now let us know the meaning of not-for-profit organization. So we have learned that not-for-profit organizations are used for welfare of society, okay, and are set up as charitable institutions which functions without profit motive but service motive. Now, since the NPO functions with service motive, they need not manufacture, purchase, or sell goods. So they need not get into the activity of manufacturing, nor purchases, and nor sell the goods. So hence, they are not performing these activities. There is no requirement of preparing trading account and profit and loss account. Okay. Now, when the funds are raised by the not-for-profit organization, those funds are credited to capital fund. Okay. Now, how these not-for-profit organization raise funds? So let us know that. Now let us know about the different characteristics of not-for-profit organization. First one is formed by providing service to a specific group or public at large. So now what are the different services that NPO offer to the public? It may be education. They give free education for the underprivileged children. They provide health services, like they will organize some blood donation camp, and they conduct recreation activity. Now what is recreation? Recreation is nothing but activities conducted for enjoyment. So these are the NPO conduct activities for the people to enjoy. Now the second one is organized as charitable trust or societies which provide service to the society. So whoever subscribe the charitable society, they become the members of NPO, that is not-for-profit organization. So whoever subscribe the charitable trust becomes the members of the NPO. Third one is managed by executive committee. So now every organization should be managed by a committee or the board of directors in company. In the same way, for NPO, it is managed by the executive committee. Now, who are there in the executive committee? So this executive committee is elected by the members of NPO. So whoever the members of NPO will elect the executive committee to manage the activities. The fourth characteristic is sources of income. So now what are the main sources of income of NPO? That is subscriptions. If the members subscribe, that is income for the NPO. If someone gives donations, that is also income. And legacies. Now what are legacies? Legacies are money or property left to someone at will. Will means at his own choice. So there are certain people who donate the property for the NPO. Those are nothing but legacies. So subscription, donation, and legacies are main sources of income for a not-for-profit organization. Then the fifth one is funds raised by such organization. So whatever the funds are raised by such organization are credited to capital fund. Whatever the fund raised by the NPO will be credited to the capital fund. Surplus is not distributed to the members. So that surplus here is nothing but the fund raised. So the fund raised is not distributed to the members. Instead, what they will do, they will add this to capital fund. And the last characteristics is the NPO earn reputation on the basis how much they contributed towards the welfare of society, will earn reputation for them. So these are the characteristics